Hello everyone, on today's tutorial video for Vexel, I'll be showing you how I go about doing all the vote sites. There's like 15 of them. For some people, it takes a lot of time. They have to go in game, type/vote, click on each link, let it open, let it load, whatnot, and they complain that it takes too long. How I do it, this really realistically should only take like a minute to get through all the votes, maybe even less. It just depends on your internet, how fast you can load stuff. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to go about setting this up. There might be an easier way to actually vote. I'm just going to be simply showing how I go about doing it and why I think this is easy. Now, I am going to be showing this with Google Chrome. I'm not really familiar with other browsers if they have the same features that Google does. So if you find out that your browser that you normally use doesn't allow for the steps I'll be showing you, then to do this you might have to use Google Chrome. Now, how this basically works, it's taking advantage of the bookmark system on Google. So, if you see in the top left over here, I have a folder called test. So what I did is I made a folder on my bookmarks bar that has every single vote site. Now to add this, to open everything, you just simply right click it, and then you're going to hit open all. Okay? And then it opens everything. So to first be able to start this process, you do need to have all vote sites open. So you do have to go in game or on our website or Discord and make sure you do have everything open. So like right now I have everything opened. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, everything's here. So what I want to do is you want to go to your bookmarks bar. You want to right click and you're going to click on add a folder. Now this folder, you can name it whatever you want. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to call it VexalMC vote sites. And then make sure it's on the bookmarks bar. And then you're going to click on save. Now you see I have a folder here. It's currently empty, it doesn't have anything on it. So it's the same thing of like creating a bookmark, but you're going to add your bookmark of your page into this folder. So to do that, you're going to go to each link and you're going to click the star at the top right. I'm going to click on this and make sure you select the folder of the vote sites. And you can name it whatever you'd like, but I keep it as default because it's easier. So I'm going to change this to vote sites, hit done. If you see, I have this on my vote sites folder. And you're just going to go through and you're going to do that for all of them. Hit done, number 3. So you can see I have 3 here now. So since I have some of these bookmarked already, they do show up in my other folder, but I want to add to the vote sites one. So this part you only have to do once, so it's a little tedious, but in the long run it'll save you some valuable time. And let me just keep going through and doing all of these. Almost done. All done. So you can see I have all 15 here now. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to close these out. Now if I right click on this and I click open all 15, it's going to give you this like notification warning because it is going to be 15 tabs open at once. And you just want to hit yes. And it's going to open all 15 just like that. And then you want to go to each one and do your normal voting. So you see I can go through this pretty quickly. Now the CAPTCHAs you do still have to keep doing. I know it's probably a little bit tedious, but you got to do what needs to be done to be able to get the vote rewards that you want. Sometimes the CAPTCHA will fail. Okay, I'll try this one later. Occasionally some of the sites break, but that's why we have 15 sites just in case some of them don't work. So if you don't have any issues with voting and you can kind of do the captchas. Damn, this one doesn't like me. Why? Dude, what a mess. Okay, there we go, finally. I'm just bad at the captchas, I guess. That was a little bit cringy to watch. Oh, I got another one. Almost done. But you kind of get the gist. The whole point of the captcha system is so people can't use some sort of bot or some sort of script to vote. So I apologize if some of them are a little bit bad. I unfortunately have no choice over that, no control. Now, assuming you're not like me and suck at doing captchas, you can get through this pretty quickly.